So once you open the application, you wait for it to load out. So let's wait. We are waiting. Waiting. We are waiting. We are waiting. Okay, so the app is here. So the first thing you will do is you enlarge your screen. You enlarge your screen, then you increase your mass web camera from that one to 5. I believe we are familiar with that one, from 1 to 5. Then after that, you just come to the top left corner. You click on Start Rope. You understand me? Just click on the Start Rope and give it, you click it once, then give it like 2 seconds. So everything will load out. Just wait till the whole thing load out. So it's out now. Then the next thing is you click on the camera option you want to use. I'll use webcam who. So once you click on it and it shows blue, then you click on play. Yeah, here is that, but let me open my curtain. So you click on find face, then click on the face you found, then click on the face you want to swap to. Then click on swap faces, then give it a time to load out. So once it's done like that, then you come on and turn on Restorer. You can see the result now. Then let's see the result after we have turned on our Restorer. You see how sharp it is. I mean, okay, it's here now. You can see the sharpness. So the next thing is to click on Start Virtual Camera. Send frame to virtual camera. Send frame to virtual camera. Then minimize everything. Then open your OBS Studio. Don't forget send frame to virtual camera. Then open your OBS Studio. Just wait. OBS has been saying, I think they've been delaying in opening. So it's here now. Let me delete this. Then so let's assume you just have a fresh OBS. Then in the source button, you click on plus sign, click on Windows Capture, then Windows Capture device, then click OK. Then change the device integrated camera. Your own can be anything. Then change it to OBS virtual camera. Then click OK. Hold your control key and press F for full screen. So that's all. You don't need anything again. Then open your Telegram, your Signal, your Skype, your Zoom, and yeah, some other app, maybe Meet Me. So go to the settings, go to the video, sound and speaker and camera, then change the camera input to OBS virtual camera. Can you see now? That's it. So that is all about that. So let me put you through on how to add picture. How to add picture. So let's close this one now. So you open a folder, you open a fresh folder, then you go to this PC. This PC, you enter local disk C. You enter users. You enter your computer name. My own is best, so your own can be anything, users or PC or so. Then you go to samples. Then you add your pictures, any pictures you want to use. So that is where you always add it. So that is all. Thank you.